Welcome to my channel Flights Assistance. Secret baggage packing hacks for girls. Unveil a world of efficient travel with these secret packing hacks for girls. From rolling clothes to maximize space to using shower caps for dirty shoes, discover ingenious tips for a stress-free journey. Elevate your packing game and make every adventure a breeze with these must-know hacks. Here are best creative packing hacks for girls. Roll skirts and dresses around customizable packing folders to prevent wrinkles. Place bras inside socks with cups facing down to retain shape and save space. Use magnetic hooks inside your suitcase to hang delicate jewelry neatly. Put hair ties, bobby pins, hair clips, etc. into a small mesh bag for easy access. Stuff underwear and loose accessories into shoes you plan to wear to utilize space. Use packing cubes in fun prints to separate tops, bottoms, accessories. Tuck tampons, liners, and mini toiletries into the corners of packing cubes. Wrap scarves tightly around delicate necklaces to prevent tangling and damage. Place dryer sheets between clothing items to keep fabric fresh and pest-free. Roll clothing vertically, and use removable compression strips to save space. Put makeup brushes inside a glasses case and wrap in socks for protection. Use plastic bags around heels and stuff small items inside the shoes to save space. Place items in labeled clear plastic bags by outfit or event to stay organized. Wrap about 3 pairs of rolled underwear in a medium-sized dress to keep them compressed. Attach hook and loop fasteners to hang necklaces neatly inside your suitcase lid. Roll up belts tightly and use hair elastics to keep them in place when packed. Put earrings, hair clips and rings on a keychain hook inside a small makeup bag. Use packing folders with water-resistant pockets for bathing suits and delicates. Stuff socks into shoes you plan to wear to have extras handy while traveling. Place shoes heel first into travel shoe bags to protect clothing from dirt. Wrap tights, stockings and socks into a small silk scarf to prevent snags and tears. Use cord wraps, ties or hair elastics to contain loose chargers and prevent tangling. Attach ribbon to the zipper pulls on cubes or bags for quick visual identification. Buy travel bottles and fill mini containers with your favorite beauty products. Use a belt bag, fanny pack as personal item for carrying wallet, passport, phone. Tuck strapless bra into a rolled pair of pants to keep cups from losing shape. Place items in color-coded folders with sticky notes listing coordinating pieces. Roll silk clothing pieces in tissue paper to minimize wrinkling. Use compression sacks to compact bulky sweaters into a fraction of original size. Hang plastic grocery bags inside out from top of suitcase to use for separating dirty laundry. I focused on girly organization systems, protective wrapping methods and ways to compress delicate items in style. Let me know if you need any other packing ideas. Travel to beautiful places. Enjoy your holiday with Flights Assistance and travel. Book your next flight with Flights Assistance. Choose your destination, travel dates, and preferred airline to find the best deals on flights. You can definitely count on us for tourism. We will provide all kinds of services required for our tourism. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.